Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trezor seed backup workflow with verified steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Trezor device and connect it to your computer. Ensure your Trezor wallet is updated to the latest firmware. Launch the Trezor wallet application on your computer. Once the application is open, follow the on-screen prompts to access your wallet. Locate the Settings tab in the wallet interface. Click on the Recovery option in the Settings menu. You will see an option to view your seed phrase. Select this option to display your seed phrase on the screen. Carefully write down your seed phrase on a piece of paper. Ensure you check that each word is spelled correctly. After writing, store the piece of paper in a secure location. Avoid taking photos of your seed phrase or storing it digitally. To confirm the backup, return to the Recovery option. Choose the option to verify your seed phrase. Input the words of your seed phrase in the correct order when prompted. Double-check each word for accuracy during this verification process. Once the verification is complete, a confirmation message will appear. At this point, your seed backup process is successfully configured. Always remember to periodically check the security of your backup. Keep your backup location secret and secure from unauthorized access. Regularly review your wallet settings for any additional backup options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.